step ahead. We have gone. We have not been aloof now, alumni. We are not aloof from the HAL. Now we have gone, coming together, very close between alumni and HAL. Sir, to tell you this, there are a lot of things. Had it not been, now I got, just after 3 years, I got the state award, teacher state award. Why? It is because of my teaching faculty, all my teaching faculty, and the children who work hard, continuously. And let me tell you, even a director of education said, this is the healthiest school in Maharashtra. Now, unless and until you get the support, cooperation, coordination, you can't get such results. These results were not mine. They all called me, Principal Payangle gave us this. Yes, I was giving, no doubt, but you were taking. The receiving end was yours. I used to come from home with so many ideas in mind. I used to put it before you. And I had told them also, if the idea fails, blame will be mine. If it succeeds, it is your honor. I said it that time, still I remember. And that's way how these people work. That is not a called work. They slogged. My way, time, the teachers slogged. And that is why all. If you remember Pawar and asked me, I had called 7 or 8 people. You are fit to be headmasters and you are going to be the headmaster. And they have become the headmasters. Because they have earned so much by going to various courses here and there. They have acquired so much educative knowledge. And once you get the educative knowledge, you can go. Why? There is one more, and I finish it. Incident. Sir, let me tell you, group captain, I don't remember his name now. Keshu. Group captain Keshu issued an order. Send Mr. Payangle, Principal Payangle, along with one officer, to all the centers of the chair and find out, give the report within 15 days of his return. I have given the report within 3 days. Because whenever I went, not to miss anything, the very night I used to have the report ready. And that's why, after going all over, I told him, HAL High School, Odar is the best school of all the schools of HAL. And this was not just because that time, these teachers, the extra classes, those who they did not have tuition at all. They did not have tuition, please. Now the people sending for tuition. No, they used to sit, teach them and do miracles. I cannot just say, I must appreciate their work. I must thank them, and not only thank them, I wish them with prayer to Almighty to give them long life, wonderful health, peace of mind, and most important thing is good living attitude. Thank you.
Chief Host Sri Payangale Sir, respected Principal Mr. Dushane, ex-principals Mr. Kate Sir, Pawar Sir, Panika Madam, Chairman of this great HUL Alumni Association, Dr. Pankaj Gupta, Sri Lala Phillips, Mr. Tukaram Mandlik, all the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. At the outset, I am extremely thankful to HUL Alumni Association to have kindly invited me for this great function. Probably the 29th October 2011 would be a golden day in my entire career and the entire life, the greatest day. As I stand here, I feel as if HUL school is a honeybee where a lot of honeybees have collected a lot of nectar and they come back to store it here. As Sri Payangale Sir said, the school becomes great because of the teachers, of course, yes, because of the teachers, and also because of wonderful students like you all. School is an inanimate thing, it's just a building. Many people forget the school and only few remember. People who do well and succeed in life and rise to very high levels, they give the entire credit to the school. Students who just simply pass through the school cannot achieve anything in their life because of their own follies. They blame the school. That's how the great students are made, and you are all that actually. And I should congratulate each and every one for this. Sri Payangale Sir, when I was just talking to him, was giving the credit to everybody else other than him. But I feel he is not only a great guru, but also a great visionary. I want to share a very small anecdote with you. Once Dayanand Sagar happened to go to Nizama of Hyderabad to collect some money for his university. It appears the king insulted him, scolded him, and lastly, he threw his slippers at him. Anybody else like us would have been very much annoyed, but he was a great visionary. He didn't do that. He simply collected the slippers thrown by the Nizam and promptly went to Hyderabad Square and said, I wanted charity for this great institution, and he has given this, and he told me I should action this, and whatever money comes should be used for the institution. Nizam came to know it would be a great insult for him. He sent his own people and started bidding higher and higher. A lot of money got collected, and that was used for the institution. My dear ladies and gentlemen, please try to understand this is the attitude that an educationist needs to have to build an empire of this kind. And that's what Sri Payangale Sir is. Sir, we are very fortunate to have a great visionary and educationist like you. There is always a good leader like you is required, and a lot of supporters who believe in you who are required to build this organization to the greater and greater. I am sure this Alumni Association and all the alumni will rise to higher and higher pinnacles of glory in the life, and I wish each and everyone the very all the best in life. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your support. I know many of you are hungry, many of you wish to meet old friends. I will not be taking more of your time. I now request Mr. Tukaram Mandlik, President of HL Union, who has been our great support, to speak on this occasion.
आपणा सर्वांना दीपावलीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. अंधारातून प्रकाशन देण्याचं महत्त्वाचं कार्य आज या शाळेच्या प्रांगणात होताना मलाही माझ्या शाळेचे दिवस आठवतात. मलाही माझ्या मुख्याध्यापकाची आठवण होते. आमचे मुख्याध्यापक रामक क्षीरसागर यांची कविता मला आठवती. मला वाटतं ती शेअर केली पाहिजे. ह्या शाळेचे सुपुत्र आपण, शाळा आपुली माय असे, या इथे आणि या इथे. आज ह्या ठिकाणी ह्या शाळेच्या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांनी, आज सर्व शिक्षकांना आणि मुख्याध्यापकांना ह्या शाळेच्या प्रांगणात दिवाळीच्या मुहूर्तावरती उपस्थित केलं, एकमेकांशी आपलं नातं जोपासलं. खरोखर या सर्व विद्यार्थ्यांना वंदन करावं असं मला वाटलं, म्हणून मध्ये बोलावं म्हणून त्यांना तशी विनंती केली. मला कल्पना आहे की वेळ बराचसा झालेला आहे, परंतु एक महत्त्वाचं नातं आधी इथं उलगडलं, ते मैत्रीचं नातं. त्याबद्दल एक कवी असा म्हणतो, मैत्री नसावी फुलासारखी क्षणभर सुगंध देणारी, मैत्री नसावी फुलासारखी क्षणभर सुगंध देणारी, मैत्री नसावी सूर्यासारखी सतत तापत ठेवणारी, मैत्री नसावी सावलीसारखी कायम पाठला करणारी, मैत्री असावी जरूर असावी सुखदुःखात साथ देणारी, सुखदुःखात साथ देणारी. मित्र, तसंच नात्याबद्दल असंही सांगितलं जातं की सर्वच नाती रक्ताची नसतात, सर्वच नाती रक्ताची नसतात, काही नाती जोडावी लागतात, जोपासावी लागतात. एवढं सर्व करून कधी कधी ती पोकळ ठरतात. काही नाती आपोआप जुळतात, कायमची टिकतात, त्याला मैत्री असे म्हणतात. ही मैत्री ह्या दिवाळीच्या मुहूर्तावर आपल्याला अशीच प्रज्वलित करायची आहे. मला आनंद होतोय की सगळे विद्यार्थी एकत्र येतात आणि आपल्या सगळ्या शिक्षकांचा, आपल्या विद्यार्थ्यांचा, आपल्या मित्रांचा गौरव करतायत. मित्रो, ह्या अल्युमिनीचे हे जे विद्यार्थी आहेत यांचा जो एक महत्त्वाचा लोगो मी जेव्हा बघितला, ती गरुड झेप. हे सगळे विद्यार्थी आज ह्या शाळेने एक सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम इथं उभा केला. 1970 साली मीही शाळेत प्रवेश केला नवीन इंग्लिश शाळेचा विद्यार्थी म्हणून. तेव्हाच या शाळेची स्थापना झाली. मला आनंद वाटतो. आणि काल जेव्हा मी पयंगले सरांशी बोललो की ते पुढच्या महिन्यामध्ये 87 वर्षाचे होत आहेत. मित्रो, वयाचा आणि तारुण्याचा तसा काही संबंध नसतो. संबंध असतो तो आपल्या मेंदूतील स्पंदनांचा. आज मेंदूंची स्पंदन इथं जागृत झाली. जास्त वेळ घेणार नाहीत. स्वतःहून मी वेळ मागितला की मला थोडं बोलायचं आहे, थोडं हितगुज करायचं आहे, बोलण्यासारखं बरंचसं आहे. सर्वांना परत एकदा दीपावलीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा देतो. आणि आपली गरुड झेप अशीच चालू ठेवा आणि एकदा परत ह्या प्रांगणात स्वतःचं बळ उभारी घेण्यासाठी परत एकत्रित चला. मी माझ्या कुटुंबातर्फे, आमच्या HL कामगार संघटनेतर्फे आपणा सर्वांना दीपावलीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा देतो. आणि
Today, Mr. Shyam Pillai, our alumni, and because of whom 4-page coverage in Times of India had been possible. First time in history of Times of India, 150 years of history, कोई प्राइवेट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को पूरा 4 पेज का सप्लीमेंट डेडिकेट हुआ है, पूरा 4 पेज का कवरेज मिला है. मिस्टर श्याम पिल्ले सर, ऑन स्टेज प्लीज. Yeah, can we have all the members of 1988 batch off the stage, please? Principal Khegnar, sir. Thank you, sir. Also, other dignitaries present on the